How to swap recipes before delivery on HelloFresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to change your meal before delivery, well here is how to swap recipes using the HelloFresh mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap My Menu at the bottom to view your upcoming week meals. And there, you can simply find the recipe you want to change and then tap Swap or Change. And after that, you simply have to explore the available recipes and tap the one that you want instead. And after that, you can simply save your changes to update your weekly menu. And that's it. That's how you can swap recipes before deliveries on HelloFresh. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.